नमस्कार दोस्तों. Today is 30th June 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. Where on this specific video, which is a monthly wrap video, I will talk about monthly levels for Nifty, disclose my trade plan for the next trading session, that is 1st of July 2021, review my today's trade, and share my learning in MTM at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. Today was a very significant day for Lalaji, but before we get into detail of Lalaji, let's first get into global market and see how things are looking. So when we look into S&P 500, what we see is that S&P 500 is almost becoming flat or getting consolidated at a higher level, which is at 4294. The US government 10 bond yield is consistently going down, so this is definitely a good sign. But the cost of concern, specifically for India market, is this dollar index, which after this week has consistently started moving up, and this is definitely not a good sign for a bank nifty for India, and definitely for our Lalaji. So with that in the background, let's have a look into Lalaji. So now when we look into Lalaji on a monthly chart, what we see here is that Lalaji had again a very good green month. So on monthly basis, definitely Lalaji is in uptrend, but definitely overstretched, but green candle. And on weekly chart, what we see is the Lalaji had is forming a very big red bar, and the 8 bar moving average is now catching up. So still it is above 8 bar 20 and 50. So definitely on weekly basis it is in uptrend. Now when we look on daily chart, we see that today after few days it has closed below 20 bar moving average. So it is closed below 8 and below 20 bar moving average. So definitely here the trend is now going down. For month of July, the new levels have come in, and the new levels for month of July, when we look at the support level, then we see that now Lalaji will have a very good support at 15593, which is monthly HL3, and then a strong support will have at 15450, which is a combination of my black and red line. Above that, Large will now immediately will have a support at 15,700, which is a monthly pivot for month of July. And on top side, now Lalaji will have a resistance at 15,860, 15,900, and very strong resistance at 15,977, which is a monthly H4, and this week H3. But on daily chart, definitely tables have turned, and Lalaji is now looking bearish. Now on 15-minute chart, when we see the trend is getting confirmed, where we see that today Lalaji has had a gap up opening but couldn't manage to go about previous day high, and then corrected sharply and closed below weekly pivot of 15753, as well as below 200 50 20 and 8 bar moving average. So on 15-minute chart also, the market trend is looking bearish. Now let's see what market profile is telling us. So when we look into market profile, what we see is that tomorrow's market profile is slightly below today's market profile. So this confirms that the market profile for tomorrow is slightly bearish. And now it all depends again on where market is gonna open tomorrow. So when we see SGX is currently at 15,741, so which is below pivot. So for any reason tomorrow, if market is opening below 15,756, which is the pivot for tomorrow, as well as weekly pivot of 15,752, it is a sell on rise market. So for tomorrow, H3 is at 15,757, which is very closer to pivot. So if the open is below pivot, then any rise towards pivot, that is 15,757, should be sold for target of 15,646. The first target could be 15,674 and second target is 15,646. And for any reason, if the market is opening above pivot, then still I would not enter into buy position, and I'll just wait to see how the market is looking at. So H4 for tomorrow is 15,793, 15,793, which is also closer to 50 and 200 bar moving average. So one lot could be sold at pivot, second lot could be sold at 15,793, which is H4, and 250 bar moving average will coincide here. So strategy for tomorrow, trade plan for tomorrow is sell on rise if the open is below pivot, which is at 15757, and if market opens above pivot, then I'll just hold for tomorrow and again not trade and see how the things are going. So that's my trade plan for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Now let's see what happened today. So today our trade plan was to buy on dip, either at pivot or at H3, which was at 15,685. So market had a gapped up opening and then it never actually came to test this level the entire day till half part. So I didn't take this buy move. And then at previous day high, this was a very good opportunity to take a shot, but I, since that was not my trade plan, I decided not to go and take this P position. So almost for a whole day I did not do anything. So today no orders for me, nothing happened for me. And then at this level it was already around 2:30, and after 2 o'clock there was no point of taking a new trade. And then the market actually closed below weekly pivot of 15753, so that was also risky to take something home. So today was no trade day for me. And what's the learning? Learning is that look for a reversal pattern on critical level. So when we look into this part, this is the reversal pattern, doji and then the red bar, and which happened exactly at the previous day range and also close to 15 at 49. So this was a very good trade to take on the risk reward basis, and one could have taken this trade home also. So I did not took it. I sometimes get very emotional with the market and I don't like to take PE position. So this is something which I need to work on. So I hope these discussions are adding value to your trade setup and trading ideas. uh, Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.